Well, we're just heading out. I've just been to see the neighbour around the corner. It's the dude, the wife of the dude who owns the guy who paints all the cars. If you look very closely, let's go. Come here, mate. Perhaps if we come around here. Skip has just come back from around the corner, and I'll get some photos later on. He's got a bit of blood on his feet. He's got some marks on him. Anyway, what he brought back around the corner was yeah, a chicken. And he's quite excited about it. As you can see, it says yeah, deed for the day. So 1 X chicken. Shut up, please. 1 X chicken. One very excited little puppy. And there's blood on his legs down there. Blood around his mouth. And what he's done with the chicken is he's just crushed his head. So yeah. Alright, mate, now I'm going to let you go. Now you leave it alone, please. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. No. Leave it. Just leave it. He doesn't want to let this thing go at all. Yeah, no, look, you might be diseased, mate. We don't want you catching anything, Skip. Do we, eh? Leave it, mate. Leave it! You cheeky bugger. Alright. We're going to have to put him back on the lead. Let's get the camera down. Dog back on the lead. So that's Skipper's little deed for the day. They are terriers, hunters. Jack Russell has got himself some prey, and yeah, so I guess I better bury it. So we might just leave Skipper around here for the moment. But that's 1 X chicken. I went around the corner and I found the neighbour around there, and walking towards me. I was out here repairing the indicator on the vehicle. I broke the lens on fucking Mike and fucking Brian's fucking driveway. So yeah, just putting that back together. And the dog had been to play with Mako, and he disappeared for a few minutes. Must have gone around the corner. Apparently the chicken was loose on the driveway, and that was pretty much that. Skipper doesn't take long to waste a little chicken. It's not a rabbit, it doesn't move fast. They do, they've got quite nasty kind of claws on them, which they can fend themselves with. But really doesn't really stand a shit show against a Jack Russell. So yeah, 1 X chicken. His heart's definitely not going there. And the dog's tried to get in there a little bit. Nice and warm. They're usually full of worms. So I most certainly won't be giving it to the dog. Anyway. So you little shit. Yeah, a bit of blood rest around his legs here. I don't know if you can see that. really wants to get back into the chicken and basically eat the fucking thing. Yeah. So, one each chicken, I'll take a few photos and yeah, that's the end of the video.